how to change the tone of your chat gpt. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can change the tone of your chat gpt. So in order to start, all you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. First, click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner when you hit the chatgpt.com website. Now once you will do this, this particular set of menu will appear, and from this menu you will need to click onto the settings option. Now within the settings you can simply click onto this personalization option, and within the personalization you can see the first option which says base style and tone. So this says set the style and tone of how ChatGPT responds to you. This does not impact ChatGPT's capabilities. So currently it is set to default. Just click onto this drop down menu and you will see much more options like professional, friendly, candid, quirky, efficient, and cynical as well. So you can choose any of them as per your need, and all set for you. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.